The reason for the Seven of Wands rising above, the Emperor and the Drama Queen, Santa and Christ Mass. The reason she rises above to tango in the Crazy Eights dance at last, at last. 4 to 7, the Emperor to the Seven of Wands, standing up to fight for his flame, the horse with no name, of course, ED in the past. Alchemy of energetic exchange in 0 point, color my world. The Ten of Pentacles, the Garden of Prayer, for Major Thomas's English muffin, with the Page of Swords, Mercury, messenger of Quicksilver and rock star healers, and muse of the inner child, the sound of music. Recording music of the spheres, the music with no sound, the sound of silence, other than the pound of their heart, walking away within to their twin flame, as lightning strikes a rescue ship in a storm. What the chariot moves, let no man put asunder. A thunder roll, just one, for the only one. The truth always there, just below the surface. The Knight of Cups gushing, but green, hardly seen. Present to the flame, the gift with no name. The Knight of Pentacles proposes something practical, as a humble servant of God. The Divine Masculine's heart in the Batcave, in karmic retribution of his lotus crown opening, awakening by a knock on the head, a big download, a piece of the Knight of Cups' wave foam that froze in a thunder roll as lightning struck the hanging man with a right knee block, caught in Spidey's web, a sticky situation of anger management, codependency, and detox, happily ever after, with the Divine Feminine's heart in the E-Tower, as the Knight of Swords says, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Let down your hair, or I'm coming upstairs, and will be the Knight of Wands when I get there. Just wait, you'll see. I've learned a slow burn. I've surrendered to all that is, allowing the pain and letting go of the pain all at once, one sealed with a kiss of bliss. At 11:06, the patient angels, a pit in the stomach, a stormy sea apart, in separation from self, the Divine Masculine, Divine Feminine, heart to heart, in ebony caves and ivory towers. The tiny ship was tossed. If not for the courage of the chariot crew, the minnow would be lost. But color my world from here to there. 7, the chariot, made in heaven. Eve with S and N, perhaps Saturday night, but Eve N, more Sophia and Christ. E's den and A's dam. The Divine Feminine in Divine Masculine ascending to the Golden Gate. The end of karma, and all good boys go to heaven, and all good girls let them in. To tell the truth only, with 5D messages from a rolling stone under a talking tree. The Ten of Pentacles, family, business, community, or legacy, presents the truth of Starseed and how hail hit her as Atlas left the wounded warrior behind, seeing the light, learning to spiral back around. The Page of Swords, by the time they reach the top, Mercury with a clear message from the Knight of Cups in a tidal wave, hanging out in traction with the Knight of Cups lighting a candle with his hoodie on, putting on the charm. A message to the Knight of Cups to come hang out with the Knight of Wands, to heal, shine, sing, and dream. Recording stars, present to flame with gifts and shadows, a dowry perhaps. Walking away within before the Knight of Pentacles proposes to their twin flame. The twin flames, the Knight of Pentacles on the shadow web with the Knight of Wands, walking away to be present to flame, hanging out with a right knee block. Atlas leaving the wounded warrior behind. With dreams coming true for the Knight of Cups, awakening the Knight of Swords with a message in return to sender. The Page of Swords receives the truth in a wake-up call to the Divine Feminine's heart, and the Ten of Pentacles, family, business, community, and legacy, a driving force for the Divine Masculine's heart. Heart to heart in energetic exchange, the splattering of color and lightning strikes straight to the core, the bottom of it all, to the pit of the stomach, a pyramid or pyramid, tummy on fire, with alchemist's triangle of the triangle, trying any angle, and the circle of shape, as he'll try all angles to get into her circle of trust, a higher love. The underlying energy of the turtle and his pearl still inside the oyster. He's slow to warm up, and she with her feelers out. The golden child and the lioness, the bear of a dear one, ribbit, ribbit, getting 2 ribs away at beaver, who gives a damn, about the spider on the wall, at a crossroads with a nest egg, the heart chakra, their heart worth their weight in gold, bullion, the bull connection, the golden egg, at the golden gate, Route 66, after taking the number 33 to power 99 and beyond. The golden egg is 1E, 1 equal and congruent to the golden gate, Route 66, after taking the number 33 to power 99 and beyond. The bee and the cheetah stalk them, and the tiger more direct approach, as graceful gazelle with shark's MO is approaching the lion's den. Sweetheart, golden child in the lion's den. You can check in anytime you want, but you may never leave. The divine feminine's ready to hibernate as dear one and frog, warts and all, building a dam at the crossroads in all 4 chambers of the heart, as the 2 sine waves and the 2 U's, the all-star rhyming congregation. The bees are not 2 bees, to question without questioning, the 11 of alignment igniting to tango in the X, where the 2 ones of the 11 come together, an 8 each, to dance heart to heart. As when you look at the 11, when you really understand what you're seeing and look at it from a different perspective, the 11 was always 2 8s. You just didn't see them from the sides. There were always 2 8s dancing side by side. Just another perspective. They've been dancing all along. But not having now leaned towards each other. The 2 8s coming together in an X, in a pinwheel fashion of the heart, become a supernova experience out of this world, winning a prize at the fair, an even event, and hitting one out of the park in the tent. The tent is the 10 and the cross, the destined star. The tent is the 2 T's with EN or JC in between, the twin towers with JC or the Taurus within. Twinkle, twinkle, or twin key, little star. A star is born and eventually withdrawn, exploding and imploding in phased array, with longitudinal interference causing the home run to go interdimensionally to a higher place or higher plane of existence, a calm plane of jet lag or arc lag or quantum leap lag, sagging from the arcing. So the frog leapt and the princess bride wept, and they lived and didn't, happily never and ever after.